Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use wireless PowerShare on your Galaxy S26. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into these settings. Now in those settings, swipe down to battery and scroll down until you guys see wireless power sharing. Now, as you guys can see here, you can change the battery limit, so you will only charge until your phone goes to 30%. Here you guys can enable it, and as you guys can see, now it's ready to charge. We just need to put the center of the phone back to back with another device, and you can also do that with the, let's say, AirPods. You can just place it right here, and as you guys can see, it is charging. We got the light right here, and now if you just remove them, you still have an option to charge anything else. So that's basically how you guys can use the wireless power sharing. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.